Trying to use the Great American, just kind of go around that turning point here. And we'll head up to the north through the towers there. Good. And then just aim for the channel 64 tower way up there. Get way up there, that's your, but get me at 2. You're getting pretty close to this tower here. At least at 2, just a little pitch should get you up there. That's good.
So do you know what each one of these towers are?
I think that's channel 12. That's channel 9 over there. One of them's channel 5. I think maybe that one over there.
Coming up here on the left, Ronda, is UC's Nippert Stadium.
There's my aviation doctor right there.
You see that little square, well, it looks like a garage down there, but it's not. Little green looking thing. That's a market that I deliver 2-3 days a week.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. It's called Clifton Market.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of it.
They were closed for a couple of years.
Power back there a little bit, Rob. About, there you go. Just 100 RPM. That's it.
Now, this green area you said was a landfill?
Yeah, the old landfill for the city of Cincinnati. Not sure what they never built anything on it or.
What's this green space over here on the hill?
Where? Right there?
Right there.
Oh, I don't know. Looks like some kind of park.
That's what I was wondering.
I couldn't tell you, Rob. I'm not sure.
Right there. Surely that's not a house down there with all that traffic near it.
Huh?
See that circle around the house?
Now that's Spring Grove Cemetery right here, right below us. Probably something with the cemetery. There, give me back up to 2 here. And just stay this side of that tower. Yeah, we'll go over to Grader here one of these days and do touch and go. We'll talk to approach control, get a squawk code here.
Okay. They'll give us the squawk code?
We'll call approach control right as we're departing Butler County, and they'll bring you in towards the airport, and then they'll hand you off to the tower there to do your touch and go. Then coming back out of there, the tower will switch you back to approach control. Take you back to Butler. 2,000 feet. Because we're barely, look, let's see how close you are to that tower. Well, I'm going to show you. You're only about 100 feet higher than that thing. I think that one's about 1,800 feet. Yeah, look, see, pretty close.
Wow.
Huh? Yeah, wow.
How is the Eiffel Tower at Kings Island?
Oh, the Eiffel Tower? Oh, that thing's little. Couple 100 feet.
What?
Oh, yeah, that thing's nothing. Right up there, you want to see it.
Do we have time?
Yeah, go ahead up this way. Add a little power here for me. 2,400.
Hey, you know how you guys are calling it Sunken Lunken? I just texted our daughter and typed in Lunken and hit autocorrect, and it said sunken.
Are you kidding? Really? Did it really? Yeah.
Yes. I didn't put in airport, but I put in Lunken.
Yeah, that's what it's known. We've called it that for the last 30 years.
I thought that was funny.
Yeah, there's 75. This is Reagan Highway, so yeah, you were to point.
Oh, we still coming around then?
That's the auto malls all the way up over there. See them?
Okay.
All those buildings in there, that's I-71 going north. See right there. Actually, there's like a water tower. Just aim for that, and that'll take you right to Kings Island.
So on a clearer day, can you visualize it from here?
I can see it, yeah. On a good day, yeah. Yeah, just keep
Can we
it
go
here.
up 2,500?
No, just stay here about 22, Rob.
Okay.
It'll keep our speed up to instead of climbing. Oh, look at the sun peeking through right there.
One spot.
One spot. That's right on 75.
Right there.
Yeah, that's I-75 north up by 275. See it curving up there,
right.
going up towards Dayton. This is I-75 right here.
Where's the Norwood Lateral? Is that it there?
The Norwood Lateral is back, let me see. This is GE. GE here. That's down a little farther there.
Is that Cross County Highway then maybe?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay. This Greenwater Tower is GE here, right?
Yeah, we're going right over the plant here.
That's what I thought, okay.
I got a bottleneck here, something happened here.
Yeah.
Is there a wreck right here?
I don't
going
see it.
northbound. I'm good at spotting traffic jams. Huh?
Hey, did you ever find out why there was helicopters were there Tuesday when we were coming back?
No, never. I just don't. You can run it at 25. That's fine.
Oh, it's dead over GE right now.
Huh?
We are dead over GE right now. Ronda, I didn't even think to ask you. Are you okay?
Yeah, he asked me. I'm fine.
Okay.
Yep, she's good. No vertigo, no MSG.
No MSG in this plane.
That's what I'm always going to say to you now. You know that.
All right, so what are the rules for Kings Island since that's...
there aren't any.
There aren't any?
Oh.
Even though there's a lot of people that'll be there during the summer?
There's nobody there now, Rob.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, in the summer, I stay at 2,500 feet, and it's not a big deal.
When December starts, there'll be a lot of people there. They're starting back up their Winterfest thing
are
this year.
they? Yeah,
they're starting that up again.
Oh.
That's been gone for a lot of years.
Yeah, if you remember, that was one of our first dates.
November 2, Romeo Mike, runway 3 right, clear for the option, and company 8, Romeo Mike's on in left traffic for the parallel.
Oh, we never said goodbye to him.
That's okay.
8, Romeo Mike,
The radio's so bad, Rob. Didn't you hear all that static? So I just didn't even...
2, Romeo Mike is in the pattern on the
He
right
knew we
side.
were departing to the north, so...
348 Romeo Mike.
Yeah, so this is I-71. There's Kings Island.
01 Celsius. Altimeter 3022. Remarks. Density altitude -800.
Butler County, free.
Chapter 1 Romeo Kilo, 10 to the east at 1,800. Westbound, then past about a mile south of the airport, Highland County.
There's their parking lot right there, Rob, up. See, this is 71 here, right off to the right. See this?
Uh-huh.
That's their parking
Oh,
lot.
that big patch.
Yeah,
Thank you very much,
just aim for that.
I would have thought we could see a flashing light from the
You're going to be, well, yeah, I can see the light on the tower there to the right a little bit. One little flash there, white light.
Oh, it almost looks like it's on the ground. Okay.
Yeah, it's not as big as you think from up here.
There's a lot of water towers around here.
All right, I'll give you a reason to laugh at me. I go up on an Eiffel Tower. I can't hardly get near the side. Scares the crap out of me.
Oh, yeah, here?
But I can come up here. Go figure.
Oh, I'm the same way. I don't like heights either. But it doesn't bother me in an airplane.
Why do you think that is?
You have control.
Falseness of a security being in a vehicle?
Yeah, must be, yeah. I don't like going on the roof of my house, and I got just a level ranch.
Really?
That if you fell off, yeah, you wouldn't kill yourself, but it might hurt your ankle. But yeah, I don't like going up there and like cleaning gutters and.
When I was a kid, we lived in San Jose, California, teenager rather, and they were building a bunch of houses behind us. We used to play tag, hide and seek in those houses before they had them finished. We would run and jump out of a second floor window into a sand pile. We didn't get hurt.
Yeah, you didn't care, yeah. Right.
I couldn't do that now. Hell no.
No way.
Okay, now I see the tower, and I can see some roller coasters.
Yeah, you can see.
So now I'm curious. If I hit nearest, what are we closest to now?
I don't know where that is. It's 3.4 miles away. No, it's a grass strip somewhere.
Now, will this show us?
That's a grass strip. That's Warren County.
Okay.
In Warren County, I-68.
Will this show us private airports?
Well, yeah, it showed us those two there, but I don't know where they are. Right,
gotcha.
Without a.
Okay.
But I know they're grass strips because look, this tells me the length of the runway. And it's got a runway number.
Got a few cars in the parking lot.
Yeah, we'll just make one turn around it there. Yeah, there's nobody there. I was up here this year when that big tennis tournament was going on over there at the indoor tennis thing there.
Is that only used for that?
Like once a year.
Once a year?
Yeah.
How does that make money for them?
I have no... Well, they make money. They wouldn't be doing it, Rob.
That blows my mind. They can make money once a year.
All right, just kind of trim it up here a little bit. So we're 2,000 feet, and then we'll just do a pass over it here. Yeah, look at that tower. That tower's nothing, huh? Compared to those other towers.
Yeah, you're not kidding. Wow.
Oh, it's only a couple hundred feet in the air.
It sure seemed like more than that.
200 to 300. Not much.
That blows my mind. You ever been out here and done that drop zone?
Oh,
probably not, because you don't like heights either.
I haven't been on a ride at Kings Island since my kids were 5 years old.
They got a bunch of construction vehicles down in there by the tower. Lifts and stuff, see that?
Putting in like the ice arena. Don't they put in like an ice arena? Or?
In the fountain, yeah.
Oh, it's in the fountain there?
Yeah, the fountain becomes an ice arena,
okay.
or it used to.
Now look at that place. They're adding on to this damn tennis tournament.
Oh, wow, yeah. They got that whole seating section tore out right there.
Oh, yeah. Well, they must be putting in some kind of suites or something up there.
Wow.
I guess. I don't know. All right, Rob, let's head on back here. I'll set this up to the final approach fix. 109. Just keep me at 2,000 here, and you can add a little power now. We'll just do a long straight in. Those two water towers there, two of them together here. Where are we at? Yeah. There's two towers there. We might be right over them. Oh, those are them. That's lined up with 29, the final.
There's sun coming down over there, peeking through.
Yeah, I can see it there, yep.
Okay, yeah, I guess there's a tower right behind here.
Yeah, just kind of stay. You're fine on this heading that you were on there. About 270 is good, Rob.
Okay.
I'll get you lined up here on the final.
So you were using this, that uses the VOR, right?
I'm going to use it. It's the localizer, part of the instrument land system, ILS.
I'm really surprised we haven't seen any traffic.
Well,
other than the Lunken.
Yeah, we're going over like Mason right now. Mason, Westchester area. That's the Nadorps. You've heard of them, haven't you?
Yep.
That's their big nursery there.
Boy, 2 real nice ball fields directly underneath us. I'm looking for something familiar out that way that would tell me...
Well, there's the airport right there. I can see the runway.
Oh, okay, I see it now.
We're on about a 6-7 mile final. So...
Hey, the lights are all red. We're too low.
Well, this far out, yeah. Yeah, this far out it'll show that. If you stay at this thing, you'll come onto the 3-degree glide slope. You'll intercept it out here somewhere.
So that's 75 right there, right?
75, yeah, that's Union Center, Volt Boulevard, and let's see what else is over there. Oh, there, no, that's
IKEA.
That's Union Center, yeah, that's IKEA over there.
All right, so where's 275?
Just right down there, about another 3-4 miles.
For some reason, I was thinking it was real close to IKEA. I guess I'm wrong.
Well, it is. It's right there.